In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove background on your images in Google Slides. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So I have this slide here, and the slide contains this image, and I'd like to change the background or to remove the background of this image. To remove the background, we shall first need to add an extension. For that, just go to extensions here and then click on add-ons and then get add-ons, and then just under search box here, enter image background remover and then press on enter, and you will see this background remover here, the first one. Go ahead and click on it and then install it by signing up, and you can simply do this using your Google account. Now once you have signed up, go ahead and click on done like that, and now exit this window. Now our tool has been added as an add-on tool. Now to use it to change or to remove the background of this image, just go ahead and click on extensions, and then you'll see we have here background remover for images. So if I go ahead and click on open, give it some seconds to launch it, and you'll see here we shall have a pop-up window where we can begin our process. So it's time to go ahead and start removing. So I'll click on start remove and it will begin the process. And as you can see, it has captured the image and now it is processing it. And look at that. The image has been isolated from the background, and from here you can either download it, you can also replace this with the original image. Besides, you can also change the background if you so wish by choosing any of this color to be your background for your new image. If you click more here, you can see we have quite a number of options that you can choose. So I'd like to choose this, and look at that. Now I'll go ahead and click on replace original image with my new creation, and here we go. The replacement has been perfectly done. Now you can go ahead and resize the image as you wish, and this will fit perfectly fine. So that's how you can change or remove background on your images in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.